In this tutorial video, you will learn how to display layers as GeoJSON. The GeoJSON panel can be opened by clicking the GeoJSON button in the Data menu or clicking the Display GeoJSON Output button in the Layer options. If opened from the Layer box, the GeoJSON data of that layer is displayed directly. If opened via the Data menu, select the layer to be displayed. The changes we make on the displayed GeoJSON instantly cause a change within the layer. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.